Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing Christmas tree number 2, which is the Christmas tree that's in the family room. And I'm also going to do the fireplace, well, not complete the fireplace mantle, but I'm just going to add the garland to it. And as you see here, I'm adding the command hooks because that's how I usually hang or secure the garland to the mantle. My fireplace is kind of, well, for one, it's really tall or high. The shelf's kind of high up, and it's really big. So I have to have something kind of, I guess, substantial to put on it. So I picked up this garland, I want to say 2, maybe 3 years ago from Hobby Lobby. And what I liked about it was the fact that it's like really big, I guess. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really realistic looking. It looks like the pine that grows outside in my yard. And that was one of the reasons why I got it. And it also works well with the Christmas tree that y'all see here in a little bit. But yeah, I wanted something that was kind of like big and substantial to kind of accommodate the fireplace. And I'm adding some multicolored lights. I like multicolored lights. It just depends on, I guess, the theme and the mood that I'm in at that particular time, should I say. But this room right here, the decorations pretty much stay the same each year. I don't change the den tree. That's why I call it the every Christmas tree, because it's the same every Christmas. The only thing that may change is if I'll change out maybe one of the ribbons, because I use the same ribbon, and I have like 4 ribbons that I saved from when I worked retail. So that lets you know that I've had that ribbon for about 10, 15 years. I worked at Dillard's, and when we did the floor display trees and things like that, you know, we used the products that they sold. And so instead of throwing it away, we got to keep the ones that were used, like the ribbon and stuff. So anyway, I'm wondering, but I usually keep the ribbon. Right here, I'm just fluffing and adding some, you know, twisting in the lights and everything, and adding final touches and stuff. I'm going to put some ornaments in, and I'm going to also add some ribbon that matches the ribbon that I'm going to use on the tree. I'm just stepping back trying to see if it's even, and just fluffing here and there, and you'll see the end result. I'm going to finish the mantle in later videos in this series. I just wanted to get the main stuff up, and then I'll do the accessorizing and things like that. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see all that's coming for the holidays. Here's the tree. I got this tree from Hobby Lobby around the same time that I got that garland from no, I didn't get the garland from Hobby Lobby. I think I got that from Michael's. It was one of them. But anyway, I know the tree came from Hobby Lobby. And it's one of those where you can turn it on with your foot. It's got a button that you tap, and you could either have it an all clear light tree. It's pre-lit, so you could do the white lights, or you could do multicolored lights, or you could do a combination of both just with the tap. So that's what I liked about it. But now, honey, you got all kinds of stuff. You know, they can dance to the music. You can do all kinds of stuff, you know, different colors, you know, solid colors and stuff. I'm like, wow, I need a new tree. And I really do, because my ceiling is high in this room. So I could do like a 9-foot tree. I actually had, this is like a 7.5 or an 8. It may be an 8. I don't know. But anyway, I have it sitting on a platform to make it taller. And I have the platform that it's sitting on disguised by the tree skirt. But I could do a larger tree, but I'm not trying to get one this year because I already have 5 trees up, honey. I don't need no more trees because I'd be tempted to decorate this one and another one too. So anyway, this is I like this tree because I love the fact that it could be a, you know, just plain old clear or white lights or multi. And so I'm going to do multi-colors in here because I just like how they look. They remind me of my childhood because there weren't a whole lot of white lights going on Where I was growing up, you know, everybody had the multicolored C9 bulbs back then. So anyway, I'm just adding some of that ribbon. This is like a gold and sort of cranberry color. And the colors of the ribbon kind of works with the colors that I have in the room all year pretty much. And I also added some gold ribbon, as you can see here, you know, in the tree. And I'm also going to add it to the fireplace, and you'll see that. I'm showing you my little angel collection. Again, this tree is the same pretty much all year. I'll add to the ornaments, but this is where all the collection of ornaments go, like my angel collections, gifted ornaments, handmade ornaments, and things like that. So again, this is the every Christmas tree. So that's the theme for this particular room. This is like, I want to say it's like an eclectic mix in here. It's a traditional, you have a little bit of modern, you have a little bit of contemporary. So again, it's just an eclectic mix of decor in the family room. So you can see that on my bookshelves back there. It's just all my collections are in this room. On the other side is where my mask collection is. It's on the wall. So yeah, it's just a big mix in here. So I'm just adding again my angel collection of ornaments. And I actually dropped one trying to show you guys and almost had a stroke, but she was okay. I actually got that mini angel collection from my middle daughter when she was in kindergarten. They, you know how they have those little magazines you can order from for the fundraisers or whatever. So I actually bought those ornaments thinking they were a lot bigger to put on the tree, and they were so cute and tiny, though I wasn't disappointed when I got them. But anyway, I've had those since she was, you know, in kindergarten, and she's like 24 now. So that's how long I've had those. And you can see little bits and pieces that have been unfinished, like the wreaths that are hanging in the window. I still need to embellish those. I just put them up to see if I wanted them to stay. Those are like little boxwood wreaths. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave them there, because they're kind of tiny. But once I add stuff to them, it may be okay. I'm just, like I said, getting the big stuff out of the way. So here is the garland on the fireplace, and I've added some picks and some ornaments and the ribbon throughout the garland. And again, I'm gonna come back and finish the mantle, but I just wanted you guys to see the garland up. And I just like how it looks. And once we do a room tour, you'll see how it all comes together. I know it looks like a big hodgepodge of stuff, but I ain't living in no hodgepodge of stuff. It's a beautiful room. It's just getting bits and pieces right now. Here is the tree, and my intentions were to show you how it looks with the colored lights, but you'll get a chance to see that. But right now it's just with the white ones. I may insert a picture at the end so you can see what the tree looks like with those lights. But anywho, there it is, a forward shot of the mantle. I had to go to the other side of the room to kind of get the whole thing, because it's a really big space right there. Sorry for the glare on the picture. My little buffalo soldier, he spends his whole year up there. I just love how that looks in that space. It works with my candle holders. It just works with everything. I hate to take him down. I've been tempted to take it down and put like a Christmas picture up, but I just can't. So anyway, but yeah, that's the mantle garland, and I just like how it looks. I don't know, I don't decorate with the trends. I decorate for me. Well, here is my angel on top of the tree. I hauled her a couple years back. I found her for $5 at the thrift store, and she changes color. She has those, oh God, now see, if I wasn't trying to call the name of the lights, I could. But anyway, they change color, and she's really pretty. And that's why I was saying I probably will put a picture in with the multicolored lights, because she really works well when the tree's set to that setting. And I use some picks with the colors that are in the room, the coppers, the cranberries, and golds and stuff. And here are some of my little precious ornaments, my little Santa hand painted ornaments, and this other Santa a coworker gave me, and I just popped him up there. But I have a set of those hand painted ornaments, and just some random, just plain old ornaments, some from Hobby Lobby, Walmart. Those picks right there with the horns, the French horns, I got those from Old Time Pottery. Oh God, about 15 years ago, honey. I've had these for a long time. There is my little ballerina. I have a set of those. I got those from Hobby Lobby. An angel ornament. There's the little mini angel ornaments. They each play an instrument. So I have them tucked together over here on this little side of the tree. That little amber color ornament, I got a set of those from the Cracker Barrel store. One year we were going to Cracker Barrel and we were waiting, and so I found those on sale. I got these butterflies. I think there are 2 or 3 in the tree from Dollar Tree a long time ago, honey. This was probably, my girls were little, and I got those from Dollar Tree. This one is a nativity ornament. I thrifted that one. It was either an estate sale or thrifted, but I thought it was beautiful. So it's been in my tree for probably about the past 5 or 6 years now. That green, pretty jeweled ornament right there, I was trying to let you see it, came from the Cracker Barrel store when I got those amber ornaments because I thought they were beautiful. So I got a set of those as well. And there's that ribbon. Again, I got that ribbon from Dillard's a while ago. There's another one of my ornaments. It's somebody gave me that when I first got this house. It says home, and it's just a beautiful African American angel ornament. I love this ornament. So she sits there, and she actually sits above oh, and I'm trying to show her to you because the camera's angle was kind of sucky. I was mad about that. It's hard to focus with the lights behind everything, but she's really beautiful. I'm sorry, she says hope rather. The ornament right here, when I bought the house, the previous owner actually gave me that because we moved right before the holidays. She actually made that for us. They actually built this house. I'm a second generation owner of the house, and so it was hard for her to part with the house. So it was sweet of her to give me that ornament. And there's another little Santa that somebody gave me. And here's another view of the tree. I just wanted y'all to see. And there's that sort of cranberry and gold ribbon. There's the other butterfly, again from Dollar Tree, honey. There's some more of my ballerina ornaments. And they actually come in pink too. And you can find these now at Hobby Lobby. But I wanted that sort of neutral color. Here is another one. I love this angel. And this came from Hobby Lobby as well. She is absolutely beautiful. I love this ornament. And I got several of these. They were just stunning. And here's another little ballerina and her pose. And I just think they're so pretty. Like I said, this is the every Christmas tree theme going on here. So, yeah, I hope you like it. That ornament there, I got, my girls were little too. I got 2 of those. One was green and one was that burgundy and gold color from a yard sale. And I thought they were so pretty. And so I just collect stuff. Like, I love collecting, period. But things that just make me feel good, I like to collect and, you know, take out and look at. Like I said, I don't decorate for people. I decorate for me because I'm the one looking at it, living with it. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. The next clip is going to be the tree skirt that's camouflaging the platform. I actually got this tree skirt from my favorite thrift store up the road, Children's Harbor's Thrift. And yeah, it just says Merry Christmas, and it has some red robins on it. So that's gonna do it. Stay tuned for tree number 3, and that'll be coming here probably tomorrow. So make sure, like I said, to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know it's coming, and check out my Christmas playlist so you can watch all my other previous videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.